Mansi Padke, Deputy Editor with The Print, and I am with Mr. Jayant Patil, President of Maharashtra NCP, Sharad Chandra Pawar. He is on his way to file his nomination from the Islampur Assembly constituency in Sangli, and we've managed to catch him in the middle of a very hectic day. Sir, in the Lok Sabha election, the NCP Sharad Chandra Pawar party had the best strike rate. What was your strategy at that time, and is this momentum likely to continue?
Our choice of candidates and the seats, when we were sharing the seats, was more perfect, accurate. So the strike rate was very high, and people of Maharashtra supported Mr. Pawar Saab like anything.
Sir, and Mahavikas Aghadi, seat sharing talks are still on, but for 255 seats, you have adopted an 85-85-85 formula. Is the NCP likely to contest more seats than 85?
Yeah, of course. Some parties will contest little more. Some parties will go little higher than what it is.
The Congress and the Shiv Sena have expressed chief ministerial ambitions. Has NCP also thrown its hat in the ring?
I didn't.
CM ambitions. Has NCP also thrown its hat in the ring?
All depends on the number. It's number game ultimately. At the end of the day, there is no point in showing ambition, expressing desire, unless you have the numbers.
But your electorate clearly likes to see you as the next CM of Maharashtra.
It can be case in other leaders also.
Absolutely. What impact do you think will all of these schemes like Ladki Bahin वगैरह schemes का काय परिणाम?
I don't think there is any impact. People have realized, and government also has stopped Ladki Bahin because the treasury is empty.
But these are schemes that are very difficult to discontinue, even if there is a change of power. If you come to
I'm
power,
not saying that we will discontinue. They have discontinued. Once we come in power, we will redesign it more effectively, can be implemented. We will do implementation.
महाराष्ट्राच्या फायनान्सेसच्या बाबतीत म्हणजे कॅपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर कर्टेल झालाय.
This government has thrown money in last 4 months like in everywhere, without thinking whether the project will get over or not, completed or not. We will streamline everything.
Is there any chance of reconciliation with Ajit Pawar NCP, if at all?
No, there is no chance.
And आता सध्या आपण बघतोय पवार साहेब सगळीकडे कॅम्पेन करतायत. ही इज द फेस ऑफ द पार्टी इवन टुडे. 10-15 years down the line, it might be unfair to expect the same amount of rigor from him. Who would be the next face of the NCP then in Maharashtra?
That Karyakartas will decide. Ultimately, it is party workers who decide who should be their leader.
All right, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. Congratulations and all the best. Yeah.
Thank you.